Is there oil? First of all, yes, there's oil.
It's oil.
Oil. I know how to check my oil. All right.
Hello, today is a really bright Monday and we're gonna have a Sina video. Well, today's Sina is gonna try to be a mechanic and let's see her success rate. Is she going to manage to fix the problem? Well, it might not be all of it, but at least the juicy parts where she tries to be a mechanic. Let's just head straight into the video.
Where is it?
What?
I always put my tools away.
I do.
Oh, now she's misplaced the tools, right? That doesn't even look like a fixed car.
It now? Or no?
You can try.
It doesn't look fixed, bro. Come on, Sina.
Ready as we'll ever be.
It's gonna start, but then it's gonna shut off.
I believe the boys. I believe the boys. Now she don't know where the key is.
Wait. What do we do with the keys?
Oh,
I think we.
A good mechanic should have everything in place.
I say we.
Why did you have the keys?
Yeah,
Be
who's
serious.
we?
Like all my life, you swear. No, you're trolling.
No, I don't.
You're actually trolling. Am I? They fell under the new battery. Did they?
Something
God,
funny
we
is
dropped
that she is trying all this
Where
not
were
at
they?
her home. Just somewhere in the road. I don't know if it broke down on the road.
That makes sense. Anyway, you ready to hear this engine purr? Now
It looks
go
like a
ahead.
mechanic shop. Let's go. I knew it.
Better noise.
It looks
Fixed
even
it.
worse than
Wait, it does sound better
it
though.
was
Hold on, wait, can
before
you
it
go in the
broke
front?
down.
Ready? Every car guy right now.
Let's go.
You're about to be so flaccid, it's crazy. Oh! Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's a purr.
There is no power there.
Is that a hairball?
It's more like a stutter.
Hairball.
It's more like a f***ing stutter.
Wait, hold up. I think it just needs a one more restart.
Alright, let's go. That car is tired.
Maybe I try to rev the engine.
How would you rev the engine if the car cannot start, bro? Come on, Sina.
That's not right.
Yeah?
Okay. So what the f do I do now? How am I supposed to know what that is?
She's gave up. That was funny. Hey guys, let me know, have you tried being a mechanic for a day? Have you ever tried fixing your own car? Well, I think these are one of the things that you experiment in life. Like you see people fixing cars on YouTube, like the likes of Tuvarish and Armstrong, and you feel like, yeah, you are a certified mechanic. And when you go and try it, it's different outside there. Things on the ground are really different. And shout out to Sina though for trying to fix her darling car before letting it go. Now there's no way this car is gonna work anyways, unless she's gonna take it to a certified mechanic. It's just best for her to get a new vehicle. It was long overdue. So many people have told her she's known this for a while. I don't know what type of vehicle she's gonna get now. Make your predictions. Can we place a bet for that? That's up to you. Let me know in the comment section down there below. I hope you kind of enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you smash a thumbs up button for this video. Also consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on post notifications so that you may not miss my next upload. Peace out.